Hello friends, welcome back to Go Technical. Now today I am taking various codes, that is first is our BCD. What is BCD? BCD code system is nothing but binary coded decimal. In binary coded decimal, just like our decimal number system 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 9, they are represented as it is, but 10 is represented as 1 0 0 0 0 0, like that. 11 is represented as 1 0 0 0 1, and so on. So in binary coded decimal we can say 0 to 9 have same representations, same like decimal number system, but only the difference is 10, and after 10 they are represented as 1 4 times 0, and 11 is represented as 1 triple 0 1, and so on. Then next is our XS3 code. XS3 code is nothing but just we are adding 3 in binary coded decimal representation. So this is binary coded decimal 0 to 9 as it is, that is 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 1, 0 1 1 0, 0 triple 1, 1 triple 0, 1 double 0 1, and 10 is represented as 1 4 times 0, 11 is represented as 1 triple 0 1, and 12 13 as up to so on. Now XS3 code, if we are asked to find XS3 code of a particular number, suppose 6, here is 6, and we are asked to find XS3 code of the 6, then first of all we will find its binary coded decimal equivalent. Its binary coded decimal is nothing but its binary representation simply, so we can write it as 6 is nothing but 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0 as it is. It is BCD, that is binary coded decimal. And to find XS3 code, just add 3 to BCD representation. But in our binary form, 3 can be represented as 0 0 1 1. So to get XS3 code for 6, we will add 3 to our this binary format, binary coded decimal format. So 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 and 1 is 0, carry 1, 1. So actually we will receive 9 in XS3 code. Yes, XS3 means plus 3, 6 plus 3 9, and we are getting here 9. So it is verified. Then third is gray code. Gray code finds various applications such as motor shaft, our K-map, our LVDT. LVDT means in measurements and instruments we are having LVDT, linear variable differential transducer. It has application of gray code. Then our K-map, which we are using for minimization of expression, Boolean expression, it is also have application of K-map. Gray code is used there, and gray code is also used in electrical motor shaft and other applications. So gray code is very essential in our digital systems. So how to find gray code? Suppose I have binary representation of some number. Take that number is 7, and in decimal, so its binary is nothing but 0 triple 1, and we are asked to find gray code representation of this 7. Then how to find that? First of all, this MSB bit will be same, and then perform XOR operation. Just go on performing XOR operation. So perform XOR 0 XOR 1. So what is XOR? XOR is nothing but if I have two inputs A and B, then its XOR representation will be A bar B plus A B bar. It can also be written as A plus B. So this A and B 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Let's check what will be the output for various combinations of inputs A and B. So this 0 and 0, 0 XOR 0, it will gives us 0 for sure. 0 XOR 1, it will gives us 1, 1 0, 1 1 1 0. Now on the basis of this we will perform this XOR operation and we will get gray code. So this 0 as it is, MSB is as it is, as I told you, MSB is as it is. Then perform XOR operation of 0 XOR 1. 0 XOR 1 will be 1. So 1. 1 XOR 1. 1 XOR 1 will be 0. 1 XOR 1, it will be 0. So gray code of 7 is 0 1 0 0. This is gray code representation. It is called as gray code. So this is all about various codes. Some weighted codes are also there, such as 2421, 8421. Suppose I will introduce you with one technique such as 2421 or 8421. Suppose one number is given to us, such as let the number will be 16. Then 16 will have binary representation. Will have binary representation as 1 0 0 0 0 2, means it's binary. Then we want 2421 or 8421 representation of this 16. Then 8421. Then just by doing calculations we can write 8421. We cannot express 16 in 8421 format, because here if we add 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So in 8421 maximum number that we can represent is 15, and in 2421 maximum number we can represent is 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So maximum greatest possible number that we can represent using 2421 code is 9, and greatest possible number we can represent using 8421 code is nothing but 15. So just take, suppose the number is 12, then I can write its 8421 equivalent as what? 8 plus 4 is 12, so I can write 1100. So 1100 will be 8421 representation of this 12. And suppose here in 2421 format we want to express 8 in 2421 format, then this 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, so it can be represented as 1 1 1 and 0. So this will be 1110 is 2421 representation of this 8. It is not binary equivalent, it is 2421 equivalent of 8. Suppose here we want to express 8 in 8421 format. Then in 8421 format we can write 8 means 1 0 0 0. This is 8421 format. Now I want suppose I want 13 to express here. Then in 8421 format I can write 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, so 1101. So 1101 is 8421 equivalent of this 13. Suppose I want 6 to be represented in 2421 format. Then here I can write 2 plus 4 6, so 1101, and one more representation I can write for 6 as, suppose I fix this 2 as 0 and 4 plus 2 is 6, so 0 1 1 0. Now 6 can be represented in two different formats, 1101 and 0110, using this 2421 equivalent. So very rarely 8421, 2421 are asked in our exam, but it is very interesting. So now I have covered all the codes and all the number systems. Now in next topic I will go to Boolean expression minimization using De Morgan's laws or using K-maps. So friends, please stay tuned, and if you find this video very useful, then share it share it with your friends who are just started their preparation. So thanks a lot.